9-2 work together. Using October of the current year, journalize the transactions for Golden Fabrics on page 10 of the Purchases Journal. Purchase invoices are abbreviated as P. No P is needed in the purchase number column. Now notice we only have one journal to choose from, so we don't have to pick from the 5 journals this time. But it's important that we get used to looking at what type of journal we should be journalizing in. Now when we look at all of these transactions, they are all purchasing merchandise on account, and that is why they go into our purchases journal. So I'm going to start with my date for the first one, October 2nd. It says that we purchased merchandise on account from Pacific Supply, $3,252, purchase invoice 162. So account credited, I'm going to put the vendor's name. My debit and credit is simply one thing, so $3,252. That then says that I'm going to debit purchases and I'm going to credit accounts payable, specifically Pacific Supply. Last step then is my purchase invoice of 162. Next one, October 7th, we purchased merchandise on account from Coastal Company, $532, purchase invoice 163. Again, I'm going to write in my vendor's name here. Oops. Coastal Company. My purchase invoice is 163 and the amount is 532. That is my debit to purchases and my credit to accounts payable. Last one, the 11th, I purchased merchandise on account from Yeatman Designs, 866, purchase invoice 164. I'm going to put in my vendor name, my purchase number of 164, and the amount of 866, which is a debit to purchases and a credit to accounts payable. Check answer. You can now complete the 9-2 on your own and then go to 9-3 lecture.